First, just say your name for us and tell us where you're from, where you live now.
Oh, Carol, I live in Lindbergh.
And how old are you?
96. I lived with dentures for 40 years, and this is the best move I've ever made. I had very poor teeth, and then years ago they did something and they'd pull it out. I went to a dentist and they pulled out all my teeth. And I wasn't happy with that, but I didn't know anything else. Because I used to go like, when I went to the dentist, I'd be like this. But then I found from my neighbor, my daughter found Dr. Klein and, the associates and so forth, and the best move I ever made. Dr. Klein and Dr. Walter, they're fabulous. God gave them magic hands, because you feel no pain, and they know what they're doing, and they're gentle. You don't feel a thing, just happiness when you leave. Just fabulous. I've never had a dentist like this. I'm so glad I came. When you come in like houses, you come in here and you're so relaxed, and you know that everything they do is going to benefit you. I just love them. The best move I ever made in my life is getting dental implants. It's more comfortable. Every time I eat, I don't have to take out the dentures because the food got underneath, And this is what's, to me, is going to be wonderful because, I'm old. I don't care if they deliver another week or so. I have happiness for 1 week then, or if I live 10 more years, I don't know.